One tiny mistake in broiler production can cost you an entire flock. Don't let it happen to you first. Here is the exact step-by-step process that top successful broiler farmers follow to make meaningful profit. If your broilers are not growing fast, one of these steps is mixing. The difference between profit and loss in poultry farming is simply the process. Before you place your next chicks order, watch this video first. It will save you a lot of heartbreak and money also. At the same time, maximize your profit. Many farmers are struggling with broiler production because they don't know the science and engineering of broiler production. They don't know how broiler came to exist, or the existence of broiler, or the genesis or genealogy of broiler. They don't know it. So most of the time struggle. They think broiler is ordinary poultry bird or ordinary chicken that they can rear anyhow and maneuver it. No. Broiler production is one of the fastest growing agribusiness opportunities in the world today. Whether you believe it or not, with the rising demand for affordable, high-quality chicken meat, thousands of farmers are turning into broiler farming as a profitable, fast-return investment or venture. But the truth is that broiler success doesn't happen by luck. No. It requires a clear process, proper planning, good management, and the right decision from day old chick to market weight. In this particular video, we are going to expose every step involved in producing healthy, fast-growing broilers chicken for you, from preparation, brooding, feeding, healthcare, management, and final marketing stage, so you can avoid loss or losses and achieve maximum profit and smile to your bank. If you like this video, what are you waiting for? Give it a thumbs up right away. And make sure after watching the video and you find it very interesting, share it to reach more poultry farmers that are in need of a poultry topic like this. Drop your comment. Even if it's thank you alone, it's good enough to encourage me to produce more videos that will help you to make profit in your poultry farming business. Let's get there. What are the complete broiler production process, step by step? This is what this video is all about. Complete broiler production process, step by step. Number one is the planning and production preparation. You need to conduct market analysis, price of chicks, feed, sales demand, and others. Secondly, choose a suitable breed. Are you going for Rose 308, Rose 700, Cobb 500, Abu Aka, Marshall, or Hubbard, any of the breeds? Notice this and make sure you take a decision on it. Arrange capital, equipment, labor, and feed supply. If you can produce the feed in your farm, good. Book day old chicks from a reputable hatchery and prepare vaccination and medication schedule. Very importantly, someone just called me from the southeast side that the broilers are having issue on a social thing, that he has been using Eco Boy Booster, and when the thing finished, he didn't order for another one. So the broilers started developing issues. Ask, have you been using medication schedule? Say no. How can you're not using medication schedule and your Eco Boy Booster stopped, finished, you stopped, you didn't give them anything, you feel that the one you're giving will take care of them? No. Eco Boy Booster is immune booster. You need to continue giving it to them till you sell your products. You don't just last, because the infections are not waiting for, they are not relaxing. Secondly is the housing preparation. That's the second stage. Clean, wash, and disinfect poultry house before bringing in any chicken into your farm. Allow a minimum of 7 to 14 days downtime between batches. This is the time you cleanse everywhere and make sure you disinfect and allow the disinfections to clear. Set up brooder guide, feeders, drinkers, and heat sources for your day old chicks. Lay beddings or litters, materials, wood shavings, rice hull, and others to prepare them before they come in. Check ventilation, lighting, and biosecurity measures in check. Make sure that everything is in check to protect your young chicks. Next one is the brooding stage. That is the stage 3, brooding stage. from day 1 to day 14 or day 1 to 21 days, depending on how long you brood your own chicken and depending on the season. Preheat the brooder 6 to 12 hours before the chicks arrive. Maintain optimal temperature 32 degrees centigrade to 35 degrees centigrade at day 1. Provide glucose, vitamins to reduce stress on arrival of your chicks. These are the steps you need to follow. Make sure you follow all these steps from beginning to the end. Feed chicks starter or super starter mash from beginning with high quality protein, 21 to 24% crude protein. This will super boost them for the initial stage. That weight will help them to grow. Now, monitor chick behavior for distress, cold, heat, or crowding together during the brooding stage. Ensure 24 hours access to clean water and light. Daily cleaning and removal of wet litters is very important, especially during the brooding stage. The number 4 is feeding and nutrition management. Starter feed is between day 1 and day 14. Your starter or super starter, whatever you call it, must have 22 to 24% crude protein. Grower feed is from day 15 to day 28. 20 to 22% crude protein. Good for a grower feed, broiler growers. Finisher feed is between 29 to market. 18 to 20% crude protein. Good for them. Please, feed must be certain and balanced with vitamins and minerals and amino acids. Use supplements or organic boosters to enhance feed conversion ratio. This is one of the organic booster. You see it? 55,000 naira, 5 liters for you. Drop comments if you need it. 5 liters. Maintain feed freshness. Store properly to avoid mold. Number 5 is water management. Provide clean water, at least cold water, always, all the time. They like cold water because it helps them to reduce stress. Add vitamins, electrolyte, or probiotics like the one I showed you now when needed. Clean drinkers daily to avoid contamination. Wash your drinkers daily. Every morning, wash it before you give them fresh water. Maintain correct drinker height to prevent spillage on the floor. Raise it up to their shoulder level. Next one is health care and vaccination. Vaccination schedule is very important. Typically include day 7 Gomboro, day 14 Gomboro, day 21 Lasota. Very important for you. Deworm at the right time for anti-coccidial and other coccidious prevention medications when needed, especially if you are using synthetic. Observe birds daily for signs of sickness. Keep strict farm bird security. Not everybody will visit in the farm. Please, footpaths should be placed on your farm so that people that want to walk into the poultry house will disinfect their legs or their foot. Restrict movement. Very importantly, clean clothing and pest control is very important. Fumigate your environment also, very importantly for you. Environmental management is good. Temperature control. Adequate ventilation allows airflow, cross ventilation in your poultry house so that breeze will blow off any infection in the environment. Reduction of ammonia smells from the house. If you're using a copper booster, you will not have any smell from your poultry house. Proper lighting schedule is very important. Please avoid overcrowding. Give them enough space. Maintain dry litters always, both rainy season and dry season. Weight monitoring is good. Keep accurate record of your weight. Weigh birds weekly to track their growth. Record feed intake on daily basis and mortality, medication expenses, and others. Keep accurate record of all. For us here, we make sure that we keep details of all our expenses on our poultry house. I don't know what I have here. You can see my records here. I don't know whether you're seeing it. This is record. This is where I jot all my expenses. See them here. So make sure you have records. Some people don't have record. That's why when they go to the market, they will price them. Give me 5,000. They will just give it without, because they don't know the cost it has taken them to rear that birds. They sell because they are seeing the money in bulk. They feel they are making profit. No, it's very important. Final finishing stage. Reduce stress and maintain good ventilation, especially during the finishing stage. I'll give you another video very soon on how to maintain and reduce stress in your poultry pen, because many farmers are going to lose their birds. It's not a cost, it's a notice. Between now and 25th December, you're going to lose most of your big broilers, they're going to buy. Most of the big broilers, you see them. Most of the times you just come, you see them raise their legs up as if they are praying. You're going to notice it in your farm, and you ask yourself, what's the cost? His trace. This is the period. Provide finisher feed for maximum weight. Maintain low light condition to reduce fighting. Observe withdrawal period before processing. No drugs at all. The next one is marketing and sales of your poultry beds. Grade your beds by weight. Small, medium, and large ones, they should have different prices. Not when some buyers will come to your farm. How much? I want to pick all of them. How much? You tell them 5,000. When you tell them 5,000, 10,000, they will just pick the big ones and leave the small ones. Say, you know, I can't afford other. By then they have picked the big ones and leave the small ones for you. No, grade your best and keep them in different places. This one, anyone you pick here is so amount. Anyone you pick here is so amount. Anyone you pick here, that's how you say your best. Not how much. I want to buy all of them. When you agree with them, they will pick the big ones. At the end, they tell you, please, I can't afford to pay for more. I'll come back tomorrow to pick the remaining ones. No, insist that your best are graded. Sell live or processed and package. Maintain good customer relationship with your buyers. Clean and prepare for the next batch to come. If you're a broiler farmer, this video must have helped you. Give it a thumb up and share it with the more poultry farmers, because broiler chicken production is a highly profitable business when the right steps are followed. Success depends on careful preparation, proper brooding, quality feeding, health management, and consistent monitoring of your poultry and livestock beds. If you apply all these processes I've explained to you in this particular video, your best will grow faster, gain more weight, and experience lower mortality, if possible zero mortality, and give you maximum profit at the end of each cycle. Broiler production is a process, not a guesswork. Please follow the right steps and success will be your friend. Thank you for watching. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers and wait for the next video uploading very soon. Till then, stay tuned. Bye for now.